Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is PJ. Inside this particular video, I want to show you what an update on crash 500 with this wonderful indicator. So guys, if you have access to this particular indicator, you will see that we have a trend that we have been following since morning on crash 500 on 5-minute time frames. As you can see, we have our entry here around this particular time today, and which is our confirmation entry. You can see that our trend leader here should give us a whatever arrow on a uptrend, that we are going to be having a uptrend on this particular chart. And also we can see our trend line also, which is the blue signal that you see here, is has appeared to us that we have a uptrend also. You can see the confirmation of it. When the two align together, then this is a confirmation for us to go on a buy entry. Don't forget, this is crash 500 on 5-minute time frames. You can see that 5-minute time frames. So we have a catch on this for a long period of time today, as early today. And also we can see our possible entry for what we have here on yesterday, that we have a downtrend from this particular moment. Our trend has given us a confirmation trend, which is the orange 9 here, and we have also a confirmation upon our trend here, and that is why we have our downtrend up to this particular moment. You can see that. So that is how this particular indicator works. And we can see here also, this is an example of a uptrend level for us. We can see is an example of a uptrend level for us to identify the zone at this particular time. And we can see our trend on our blue arrow that is on uptrend for long period of time. You can see it start from this particular zone. Is an uptrend, and we can see the uptrend move massively. It was so massive before it break around this particular area. You can see that. That is when we have another confirmation of break in the market at this particular zone. And we can see that once we break it at this particular zone, we can see that we have another one here, which is our downtrend, which moved on a massive up to this particular moment, and we have another downtrend up to this moment before giving us a uptrend signal at this particular time. So this is how this perfect indicator works. It's so massive, and this is one of the best indicator you can help yourself. So you can join it with your own strategy, and you can also use it to study how to use it, and also you can use it on your 1-minute time frames to catch up your market so fast and leave the market. And you can decide to go on it on higher time frames, but I will recommend 5-minute time frames for you if you are getting this particular indicator. So this indicator has helped a lot of people, and people have already have access to it. So you can also get access to it. All what you just need to do is to click my Telegram group, join my Telegram group, and get access to me, and you are going to get this particular indicator. So this indicator is not for free. But this is one of the best smart indicator that can help you a lot. That can change a lot of things in your trading skill and knowledge. So it tell you the probability of trade coming to reality on this particular trend. You can see. So this is a confirmation for us that we are having a best trade on the market. You can see that. As we can see, this is our higher high. We have our higher low here, we have our higher high here, we have our low here, and we can see our break of structure at this particular zone. We can see that this is the particular level that our trend break it. We can see. So this particular give us a confirmation of uptrend, that this our trade is going on a massive uptrend. So this is how this particular indicator works, and also this is what you can use to support your daily trade and make a lot of daily profits. So to get access to this indicator, join my Telegram group and get access to this particular indicator. Thanks guys. See you guys on our next video.